A letter to the Ummah. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, I seek refuge in Allah from Shaitan the cursed. O Allah, I praise and exalt you in essence and great in generosity. O majestic, all praise is due to you. I thank you with gratitude of a servant who acknowledges his shortcomings in obeying you. O Lord of kindness and blessings, I ask you, O Allah, by your eternal praise, to send blessings and peace upon your noble prophets and their family who possesses pure hearts. I ask you, O Allah, to grant us high determination in seeking your pleasure, and forgive us for all the sins and misdeeds we have committed. To the faithful across the world, we stand united, unwavering in our devotion, and steadfast in our duty to uphold truth and justice. The trials we face are but a test of our resolve, and by the will of Allah, we shall overcome. Throughout history, the righteous has risen against oppression, defending their lands, their honor, and their faith. Today, we renew that legacy, not with words alone, but with unwavering action and unshakable faith. The enemy of truth seeks to divide us, to sow discord amongst the believers, to corrupt the purity of our faith with deceit. But they will fail, for Allah is our protector, and with Him as our guide, no force can stand against us. To the brothers and sisters of the Ummah, do not surrender to despair. Do not lose hope in Allah's mercy. Whosoever seeks to humiliate you will be broken. Whosoever seeks to defeat you will be crushed. Every oppressor will meet their faith. Every wound will be healed, and every fearful heart will find solace in the victory of truth. To the leaders of the Ummah, let unity be your banner. Let righteousness be your path. There is no time for hesitation, no time for division. Your duty is clear. Stand together to support one another and uphold the principles of justice and faith. To the nations of the world, we seek peace, but we will never bow to tyranny. We shall work with those who respect our faith, our land, our people, our deen. But those who conspire against us, know that your schemes will fail, because Allah is the best of all planners. To my beloved Muslims around the world who have endured hardship and suffering, I bring glad tidings. The dawn of justice is near. With patience, with faith, with unwavering determination, we shall rise, we shall rebuild, we shall restore the honor and dignity of this Ummah. May Allah, the greatest, protect and provide. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala.